pretty. Welcome to Happy Jack Shack. I'm Happy Jack, and this is my shack. That's why I call it Happy Jack Shack. And as promised, I'm going to be doing the time lapse. And it's going to be a couple of segments. The first one is clouds blowing by, but I found, now they said when you're doing a time lapse like that, to get the motion of the clouds, have something, in the vicinity that's stationary, like a building or a telephone pole, something that will show the camera is not moving, it's the clouds moving. I found don't use a flag, because that flag was just whipping all over the place. But, I'm learning, so. And the second segment is doing the stars, but I didn't have no tails on the stars. There's a way that you set it up, and it will have the stars leaving. You have short tail, long tail, or infinite. You just keep going in circles. And I tried the short tail. First time I did, and I found don't do it when there's a full moon, because it makes it like it don't get dark, because they leave the lens open long enough that it gets the light from the stars, but it also gets light from everything else, like the moon. But when the moon went down, then you got to see the stars real good. And then the third segment was of the stars, only I used the short tail. The first one, there was no tail, but you can see once the moon went down, just before sunrise, you could see the stars moving, but it was kind of hard to see them. And then on the second one, I used a short tail, the short trail on it, and you could see them a whole lot better. But I found, do it when there's a new moon. That way it's not, and I'm going to find a new location to put the camera so I can do it. But I'm going to have to wait, because though I do have it nice and toasty, see my fire? Yeah, it's 83 in the house. So I could actually take this off and you can see, oh yeah, it's weird being the same age as old people. I've always had that, that fear. One of these days, I will be as old as old people. But I'm not an old people. It's that little kid in me just won't let it go. Right? Oh, that's the way to have it, isn't it? By the way, outside right now, it's 25 degrees. And it's supposed to get down into the mid-teens tonight, so it would not be a good night to film. So let's go and play the different tracks, and then I'll see you afterwards. So without further ado, or I don't for those that don't do, here's the GoPro. Howdy, how long have you been there? I just lighting up a little bit of incense. Still a honeysuckle, but hey, you know. By the way, have you noticed? I'm letting it grow out. It's that time of year, you know. Don't have to worry about the ticks, so, you know, it's too cold for the ticks. They bury themselves, I guess. I don't know. But, hey, how'd you like the video? I mean, yeah, it's still, you know, there's a lot of room for improvement, I know, but I'm gonna give it a go. You know, there's always next week, and Wednesday is payday, and so we're just gonna have to see. I'm thinking about maybe getting a new printer because my old printer won't work with my new computer. So, but hey, it's only a couple $100 for it. If I can't spend my money on something that is interesting and, you know, I can do up prints and everything. Well, I'd like to make a special shout out to Larry, Teresa, and Stephen. How y'all doing? I know the East Coast is getting beat up, although somebody went and told me that they're supposed to be getting a warm-up pretty soon, if not. I'll have to check on that. Well, this is Happy Jack, hoping your journey down life's path is a pleasant one. Later days. Y'all come back and see me again real soon, yeah?